What made Albert Einstein a genius? Einstein revolutionized our way of thinking with great discoveries in science and understanding of the very laws of the universe. But we still can't understand how a mind like his works. What sets his brain power, his thought process apart from normal people? What makes a genius? Consider his impact on physics. He made scientific discoveries and proved the theory of relativity on his own. It took 100 years, enormous computational power, and massively advanced technology to definitely prove him right. When he was a teenager, his parents and sister left him to finish school in Germany, while they moved to Italy to deal with his father's business. Einstein Sr. wanted him to become an engineer. Einstein excelled in science, but not in all subjects. He failed his literature, politics, and French exams while applying to study at Zurich Polytechnic. At the end, he was able to pass all the exams and finally got a degree. But the professors wanted him booted out of school. Einstein showed his brilliance during his years at Zurich Polytechnic, but his rebellious personality led his professors to give him poor recommendations upon his graduation in 1900. Einstein was not a good student because he was a very original thinker. He always has a completely original point of view. Young Albert later spent 2 years searching for an academic position, but later settled for a job at the Swiss Patent Office. This job turned out to be perfect for him as he could spend time on his research after office hours. It was around this time that he proved the famous formula E is equal to mc square and worked on the theory of relativity. In 1915, Einstein published his theory of general relativity, which stated that gravitational fields cause distortion in space-time curve. The theory was controversial at the time it was published, until May 1919, when a total solar eclipse provided the proper conditions to test its claims. Upon analyzation, it was proved that the theory of relativity was in fact true. The news made Einstein an overnight celebrity. Newspaper hailed him as the heir to Sir Isaac Newton, and he went on to travel the world, lecturing on his theory of cosmos. 6 years after the 1919 eclipse, more than 600 books and articles were written about the theory of relativity. Until today, it is considered as the greatest work in science. Many researchers have assumed that it took a very special brain to come up with the theory of relativity and other impact insights that form the foundation of modern physics. He unfortunately died on April 18, 1955 in Princeton. A pathologist was called to examine his body, but he stole Einstein's brain and ran away. He kept it in jars in his basement and studied it for 40 years. He photographed the brain and then cut it into 240 blocks. After 40 years, Harvey decided to show up and gave the brain to scientists. Einstein didn't want any experiments on his body after his death and wanted his body to be cremated. But After Harvey gave the section of Einstein's brain, they were shocked to see the result. Einstein's brain had 17% more neurons compared to a normal person, which meant more synapses were produced, giving him more brain power. Further studies showed that Einstein's brain was missing a part called parietal operculum, due to which his parietal lobe was increased by 20%. As a result, his ability to imagine things were boosted. The sections of the brain are still in display at the Muther Museum in Philadelphia. Einstein's brain represents potential and the ability of one exceptional and genius mind to get ahead of everyone else. He believed that imagination is much more important than knowledge, because knowledge describes what you know, but imagination describes what we can potentially know in the future. Einstein was a born genius, and everyone cannot have that natural intelligence. If intelligence is not gifted, produce it. No one is intelligent from birth, and to reach the parameters of intelligence, you need regular training of your knowledge that can be done only through education. Meeting different sets of people and putting your ideas and theories into practicality. Create the genius in you. The path towards creating is tough, but the outcome is worth working for.